Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Excel worksheet. So in order for us to get this done, I have this worksheet right here that I'm working on. Now, it is a general rule when you are doing Excel sheet that you have to save it if, say, for example, you have already achieved like a very important part. Now, if, say, for example, I were to delete, let's say, one of these here, I can go ahead and delete that and I can actually just go ahead and recover that one. And the way to do that is just by closing this one. So again, you have to assume that you have already saved this. If, say, for example, your autosave is not on. So I'm going to go ahead and click don't save here and just basically pull that back. There you go. I can go ahead and proceed to basically using this one. Now, if I click that particular sheet, you can see that I have all four here completely. Now, if say for example you have deleted, let's say this one right here, or let's say this one right here, I'm going to go ahead and click delete, and you are going to go ahead and save it. File, save, there you go. Now there is actually an option in order for us to get that back. So the way to do it is click sample here, and then you have version history. So if you click this one, what's going to happen is it's going to bring that back, and we're going to go ahead and see it here. So just try to check which among these are the one that you are using. So you have, for example, in my case, it's going to be sheet 1 and 2. They're back here. So I have the option to basically restore them or save them as a new file. So yeah, that's the best way in order for us to recover deleted Excel worksheet.